Hello guys, today's video is about an article I was reading about insurance companies that, or specifically one insurance company that added insult to injury, so to speak, when they shortchanged their claim, and they were a victim of the Superstorm Sandy out on the East Coast and that, and they were claiming that they received that the damage was a result of flooding, not as the result of wind damage or from the storm. And they offered to pay him, a nominal fee or nominal, I guess, payback of $10,000 as opposed to the insurance value of $280,000. And I was like, whoa. I mean, I've gotten, shortchanged myself before, and it's just why it's like, geez, I mean, and this is why, people don't like, insurance companies. I mean, granted, there are a lot of scams out there and people running, insurance scams and so on and fraud, but this is obviously, a storm victim who received damage, to their house and to their property, who are current on their payments, and then are getting cheated out. And then the idea of the name of the video of adding insult to injury is that not only did they shortchange them on their insurance settlement, but they ended up taking the pictures that they took of the damage, for the claim. They ended up using the pictures of the damage in their ads, their TV commercials. It was like, not only did they shortchange them, that they also used their property in their ads, saying how well they, how good have come, because they were able to help. This was an example of a property that they were able to, a couple that they were able to help, and it's like, it seems really hypocritical that not only shortchange them, but to use footage of their house in their commercials, to make you feel all warm and fuzzy about how they take care of their policyholders. It's like, I mean, we're not even talking about using their pictures and not paying them for for using their likenesses and their pictures and their property. We're not even getting into that. It's just the hypocrisy of how they use the pictures and the images, that they got from them of the damage of the storm to make people, think, oh, hey, this could happen to me. I better have insurance, or turn it around and say, hey, we take care of our policyholders, when stuff like this happens, and obviously they did not. I have down below, I've put the link to the story. You can read yourself. I'm not going to personally mention the name of the company in my video, because I don't want to get any libel or any possible lawsuit or anything like that, or anything that would take down this video, give them an excuse to request this video to be taken down. My own personal story was that I had insurance on my car, and somebody it was parked, and somebody backed into it, and essentially damaging the door. And I went to file a claim, but this is after I hadn't had any claims on the car for like years and years and years, and and the car was a little bit older than that, but the amount of premiums that I paid, were thousands and thousands of dollars, obviously, and much more than and it's been years that I've been paying premiums, and then I was like, and they didn't want to, they were balking on the fact that they wanted to pay out, for damage done to the car, when it was only at the time maybe like $400 or $500, and I paid, thousands of dollars in premiums, and it's like, really, And so, needless to say, after I did get some kind of a settlement from them, and I wasn't going for a new door or anything like that. I got a used door. I wasn't trying to do that. I ended up dropping them and going with a different insurance though. But let me know what your experiences have been with your insurance companies, if you're satisfied with them or not. Let me know what you think about the article and that. Why don't you read it and you know hopefully share this video, and in sharing this video, also sharing the link in that, and give you a little bit of a forum to discuss your experiences on your insurance companies and that, and what you think about insurance companies. On one hand, are trying to make you feel all warm and fuzzy, but then when it comes time to pay out, obviously on claims that are legitimate, you know, they just want to keep their money. So let me know in the comments below, and I hope you have a good day.